Here we have a Portuguese laurel and we're about to trim it. Now the issue I have with these are the underplanting, sedums, etc. Very brittle, break very easily. So we can't put a blower in there and we can't really use traditional sheets laying on top. So what I do is use suspended sheets, and basically what I do is I use these fence pins and hang the sheets on them. So I place the fence pins approximately roughly where I want them and then loosely hang the sheet on, and then once I've got the sheet in place roughly where I want it, I just move the pin slightly to get a good bit of tension on the sheet. The big advantage of doing it this way is there's no damage to the underplanting, and even though it takes a little bit of time just to set them sheets up correctly, it's actually quicker, I think, than trying to hand pick all the bits out, because there is rather a lot. So sometimes the slowest way is actually the quickest way, if that makes sense. Then once you've done one side, you do exactly the same the other side of the plant. And sod's law, the wind's got up now. I specifically chose this particular day to do them because there was no wind. Once both sheets are in place, I simply clip together where the sheets join, and that way I know nothing's going to go through at all. And once the sheets are all in place, they're all nice and tight, we're ready to start trimming. And once we're done trimming, it's pretty much just the reverse of putting the sheets in. The only thing I do is I try to shake some of the clippings along the sheet, so as you're undoing the sheet, some of the weight is still on them fence pins, and just the last little bit, you just be very careful. And we're all done. As you can see, the board is not damaged, there's no broken plants or squash plants, and there's no clippings in there. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you.